Hi guys, welcome to the vlog.
Hello guys, welcome to Doha Souk.
Well, we are in Souk. We have a special guest, a celebrity.
Yeah. We have two celebrities,
Yeah.
Gigi Hadid and Vina Morales.
Oh my God, Gigi Hadid! Are you excited, guys?
Show them
We will meet them later.
Yeah, watch out.
Watch out, we're gonna have a concert. Vina Morales in the house.
And Trump is here also.
Yeah, special guest si Trump, si Vina Morales and Gigi Hadid. Gigi! Actually, close na kami ni Gigi eh. Wait lang guys ha, magpakita ko sa inyo later.
Gigi!
G! G!
Gigi!
Pag lumingon ka, Gigi ka.
No! We have special guest, Lalay. Lay! Butan
Lay!
man na mong Lalay, oy. Lay! Ayaw pa ka, Lay.
Guys, sino lalay?
In my heart 영원히 머물러줘
Hi guys. Ay, hindi pa natin napapakita si Vina sa vlog.
At si Trump.
Hi
This is Joyce. Welcome to the vlog of Palong.
Vina. And
Yes,
Trump.
Hi, Trump. Ako po ang yaya nila today. But Lalay left.
Yeah, Lay. Lay, ba't ka umuwi, Lay?
Lay, sa'yo pa, Lay. Sa'yo pa kayo, Lay.
Say goodbye na to my vlog.
Bye, vlog.
Trump, say bye.